Press the Button episode 2. It was a year ago when I did episode 1 and I kind of forgot about it. It was my first video I ever made. So we're doing episode 2 like a year later. So we have Josh. I'm Josh. Yeah, peace, Josh. And I don't really know my name. I'm back, the smartest one, and the buttons shrink down to my size. And the background is pink for today's episode. Yes. Also, okay, first question. What color is my skirt right now? You did this question like on the first episode, but it was pants and the answer was white. Good, you know something. Just guess. I can beat you at this. No, you can't. You're dumb. You're dumb. Alrighty. Then. Okay. I'll go first. Your skirt, I'm going to guess, is pink because I'm wearing pink and I can't think of anything else right now, so I think pink. I think pink too, because if she thinks she's so smart, then I'll pick her choice. And if she's wrong, never mind. Because if she's wrong, but she is gonna be, then I'm gonna be wrong too. So, yeah, pink is wrong. So I'm gonna pick orange. Yeah, I'm gonna pick orange. Because yeah. Alrighty then, I'm gonna go with. I don't know. If she thinks she's so smart, I'm going to pick pink. No, she's wrong. Don't pick pink. I pick pink because she's right. Okay, then. If you think she's so right, then you can pick pink. Let's see how right you are. Fine. The answer was black. That wasn't a choice. It was either a pink, orange, or pink or orange. No, I didn't make any choices. Well, none of you won. Thank you for tuning into the episode of Press the Button 2. Make sure to comment, press the button 3. Bye-bye.